Are you tired of trading time for money? Do you feel stuck on the monthly paycheck treadmill? Imagine this. You're relaxing on a Sunday morning, but your bank account is growing automatically. That's the power of passive income. Today, we are diving deep into the 5 simplest and most effective passive income ideas tailored for beginners right here in the USA. Stay tuned for idea number 5. It requires almost zero upfront cost and has the highest long-term potential.
Welcome to This is sUjOn, your guide to smart money moves. Before we start, remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our USA finance and investment insights. Idea number 1 is the easiest to start. The High Yield Savings Account, or HYSA. In the USA, traditional banks often pay only 0.01% on savings. But many online banks offer APYs several hundred times higher, currently ranging from 4% to 5% or more. This is money you can access anytime, and it's insured by the FDIC, making it zero-risk passive income. Simply move your emergency fund from your old bank to an HYSA. Our second idea is dividend investing. Dividends are portions of a company's profit that are paid out regularly to its shareholders. Think of it as rent money you get just for owning a small piece of a company. For beginners, buying dividend ETFs is the safest way to start, as they hold baskets of high dividend-paying US companies. The money you earn can be automatically reinvested, a powerful concept called compounding. Are you tired of trading time for money? Welcome to This is sUjOn, your guide to smart finance. Today, we are starting a 5-part series on the best passive income ideas in the USA. Number 1, the High Yield Savings Account, or HYSA. Number 2, earning money from dividend stocks. But the top 3 ideas are coming next. The next video will cover digital products, digital rental, and our number 1 choice, YouTube. Don't miss the top 3 best investments. Subscribe now and wait for our next video.